Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 11th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of Tesla and autonomous driving. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has recently made a notable shift in its self-driving promises for new vehicles. The company has adjusted its marketing language, moving away from the bold claims of achieving Level 5 autonomy, which would allow cars to operate without human supervision. Now, the Full Self-Driving (FSD) package is referred to as Full Self-Driving Supervised, indicating that active driver supervision is still necessary. This change suggests a softening of Tesla's original promises regarding unsupervised driving capabilities. In addition to this shift in terminology, Tesla has significantly reduced the price of the FSD package from $15,000 to $8,000. This price cut has negatively impacted the resale value of used Teslas, causing some concern among owners. Critics have pointed out that Tesla's previous claims about the FSD system's potential to generate revenue through a Robotaxi service have not come to fruition, leading to skepticism about the company's future plans. The new language in the configurator raises questions about the feasibility of achieving true autonomy in existing Tesla models. As Tesla gears up to unveil a new dedicated self-driving vehicle, the Robotaxi, there is speculation that the company may shift its focus away from consumer vehicles in favor of this new platform. This has sparked discussions among Tesla owners about potential legal actions for misleading claims. Overall, the change in Tesla's self-driving narrative reflects a more cautious approach as the company navigates the complexities of autonomous vehicle technology. A recent report has brought to light concerning practices within Tesla's Autopilot development team. An anonymous employee revealed that safety concerns and adherence to road rules were often dismissed. The employee, who reviews footage from Tesla's cameras to train the Autopilot system, stated that they were instructed to ignore certain road signs, such as no turn on red and no U-turn, causing discomfort among staff. This is particularly alarming given the system's history of recalls and investigations, including over 40 by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, linked to at least 23 fatalities. Despite Tesla's requirement for drivers to keep their hands on the wheel, many have found ways to bypass these controls, leading to a recall of over 2 million vehicles. The employee described their experience at Tesla as increasingly dystopian, with strict monitoring of productivity and potential disciplinary actions for taking longer breaks. Additionally, the company has faced scrutiny for privacy breaches, where employees shared sensitive images from customer cameras, prompting Tesla to implement stricter policies to prevent future incidents. In Oakland, California, police have begun towing Tesla vehicles to access their onboard video footage as part of criminal investigations. Tesla cars are equipped with multiple cameras that capture video for security purposes, particularly through a feature known as Sentry Mode, which activates when motion is detected. Officers have been obtaining warrants to secure this footage, especially when they cannot contact the vehicle owners directly. Since July, the Oakland Police Department has sought to secure Tesla vehicles for evidence at least 3 times, referencing the Sentry Mode capabilities in their court orders. The footage collected has reportedly aided in various investigations, raising concerns about privacy and surveillance implications for third parties not involved in the incidents. Electronic Frontier Foundation attorney Saira Hussain highlighted the potential risks of involving innocent bystanders in police investigations through the use of such technology. This trend indicates a growing reliance on vehicle surveillance systems by law enforcement, prompting discussions about the balance between public safety and privacy rights. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights into the world of Tesla and autonomous driving. Stay safe and informed.